In this video, we're going to cover setting up fmEcommerce link for the first time and linking it to your WooCommerce site so it can authenticate and upload and download data from FileMaker to WooCommerce. The the fmEcommerce link getting started guide has the instructions for this, and it references the WooCommerce REST API documentation. And this has the instructions for generating the API keys that you'll need to copy into the fmEcommerce link file, but we'll run through this from scratch. So I've logged into my WooCommerce or WordPress site that I'm going to be using to link to my fmEcommerce FileMaker database, and I'm going to go to the WooCommerce section and go down to settings, and I'm going to click on the API tab at the top. And the first thing we need to do is enable the REST API. That's the API that we're communicating with from FileMaker, and we'll click Save to save that. Now we need to click on the Keys Apps menu section here, and we want to add a key. So we just need to give it a description. I'm just going to call this FM WooCommerce, and you need to associate it with a user that you want to assign the privileges to. So I'm going to choose my account, and because I'm going to be primarily downloading but also uploading some information, I need to set it to read and write. Now I click Generate API Key, and that's going to go and generate the keys for me. So what you need to do is just have that screen open and your fmEcommerce link file open as well, and click on the setup screen, and then you can come and basically copy and paste these. So I'm going to copy the consumer key, go and paste it there, and I'm going to copy the consumer secret and paste it there. Now I also need to get the address of my website, which I'm just going to copy as well. Save me typing it in, and just a reminder, fmEcommerce link only works with sites that have an SSL certificate installed, so we have to use the HTTPS protocol. And in these days, if you're running a web shop, you really should be using HTTPS in any case. So that's it for what we need from the WooCommerce API section. So we can go back to our dashboard, for example. Now I'm ready to test this to see if it actually works. So a quick way to test it is to just try and download some small amount of data such as tax rates. So I'm going to hit import all tax rates, and you can see that was successful. It's downloaded one record. I'll just go and download some text classes just as well. So we know it's successfully downloading data from WooCommerce to FileMaker. Now a quick way to test it, if you can write data back to WooCommerce, is to create either a coupon or a customer, and see if you can push that back to WooCommerce. So I'm going to go to coupons, and we'll just create a new coupon, and we'll call it test, and I'll just go into the detailed view, and we'll give it a bit more of a description. Test coupon. We'll make it a 10 amount. We won't set an expiry date, and we'll just say a card % discount. And I think that's enough for the moment. We'll try uploading that. So we'll go push to WooCommerce, current record, and you can see that was uploaded successfully, and it's come back with my WooCommerce ID, the 3263. And if I jump over to WooCommerce and go to coupons, I can see my test record has come through. So that's it for the setup. I've now set up the API keys, and I've been able to download and upload data successfully. So the setup of the integration is now complete.